Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Miss Jackie, and today we will be doing an art project. For our art project today, we will be making a beautiful flower stamp art project. To begin this project, you will need a colorful piece of paper, a green marker, a pen or pencil, flowers, and your favorite color paint. I picked blue and purple, and I put my paint on a paper plate. To begin this project, you will take your pen or pencil first, and you will write your name at the bottom. Now, I would like you to put your paint on a paper plate if you haven't already. I would like you to have one flower for each color so you don't get them mixed up. I would like you to use these flowers as a stamp or paintbrush. I would like you to hold your flower like this, and I would like you to gently dip it in the paint. Nice and soft. And I would like you to make stamps. Like that. I would like you to use different colors and different flowers to make your project beautiful. I would like you to also use your green marker, and holding it the proper way, I would like you to make little stems at the bottom of your flower. And to do this, I would like you to make a little squiggly line. I would like you to start under your little flower, and I'd like you to make a squiggly line down to the bottom. These squiggly lines are your stems.